Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can reconcile your bank account with an uploaded bank statement. To reconcile bank, we need to go to Money and click on Bank Accounts. Here, any uploaded statements will show up below and there will be classed as that need to be explained. I have 6 transactions to explain. Click on Explain. And we have 4 options to how we can explain this transaction. Either we can look at transactions, we can transfer between accounts, so if we have transferred money, we can record refunds, or we can look at multiple items. So firstly, let's look what we have here. So at the top there is explain payment of -£100 gift limited, and it is noted as a refund. And below there's all transactions what have been uploaded from my bank statement. So refund will be going to refund section, and we can search by customer instead of picking up randomly someone from this list below. So I will select gift limited, and I have £100. This is a credit note, sales credit note, so I have refunded £100 to gift limited, and click on allocate to existing invoice. Next one, I have £1,000 for gift limited, so they have paid me £1,000. From drop down list, select gift limited. Okay, and I have invoice for £1,000. Click on allocate to existing invoice. Now I have transfer of £500. I need to transfer between accounts. So from my account to business account, I transfer £500 and click confirm transfer. Next one, I have materials, £200, so I have paid to suppliers. So I will select materials limited, and I have multiple invoices to allocate £200 to. But there is one particular invoice for exactly the same amount, so I will allocate to this invoice. Okay, next one, I have £30 for phone limited bill. So from drop down list, I will select phone limited. And there is one outstanding supplier invoice, and click allocate to existing invoice. Then there is £50 for internet bill, so select supplier internet and allocate to this invoice. So now all transactions that have been explained are marked with green ticks. When I go back to my bank account, there is no more transactions to explain, and my current account balance is £1,405, and it matches with my bank account on my bank. So in this episode I showed you how you can allocate or reconcile bank accounts, how you can reconcile bank account on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.